Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I will show you how to disable or enable Lift to Wake on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's begin. So, normally, if you would just simply pick up your phone, it would automatically turn on and you can swipe it to unlock it. But if you want to disable this option, first, you want to navigate into Settings, scroll all the way down, and click Advanced Features here. And then click Motions and Gestures. And the very first option is Lift to Wake, so we simply disable it. And now, if we turn off our phone, no matter what we'll do, it won't turn on. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.